Hi, and welcome to Mnemonic. Today, we're going to give you a really quick overview of how this platform works and some key elements you're going to want to take a look at. Once you've logged in for the first time, you'll be prompted to select a location or facility that you work at. Please select that facility, as it will allow you to obtain access to the registers or lists of documents that have been associated to your facility. Once you've done that, you should be ready to go. In this demonstration account, we're going to cover a few key items, and this account includes many different things. Your account may be a little bit simpler than what we're going to see today. First and foremost, if you have questions, you can always scroll to the bottom of the screen here and click on Tech Support. This will take you to a page where you can see your account administrators at your organization who run the account, as well as your account manager at Nimonik. We encourage you to first reach out to your company administrators with any initial questions or comments you might have. If they can't solve your issues, they can most certainly reach out to the Nimonik team and we'll be happy to assist. The first thing I want to show you is how to access documents that have been purchased or associated to your location. When you log in, you'll see a series of facilities. In most cases, you'll be associated to a single facility, but some users, such as administrators, are associated to multiple locations. If I want to see the documents that I have purchased, I can go ahead and on the right-hand side, click on CO Registers. Think of a register as a list. I'm going to click on this, and I'll see we have 3 lists associated to this location. In my case, I'm currently interested in viewing the standards that have been purchased for my location. So I'm going to click on Purchased Industry Standards Register, which is the list of industry standards that have been purchased for my location. Here we'll see a table that looks somewhat like Excel. This might look different in your account because each account can set up these tables as they see fit. If these documents have a green icon, it means that they have been unlocked and purchased for your company. A yellow icon means they've been purchased for select locations at your company. If there's no locked icon, it means that they're freely available, such as a law or a regulation. And a red icon would indicate that it has not yet been purchased. Let's take a look at one of the ones we've purchased, such as this green ISO 9001 2008 version. I'm going to click on this, where I'll be taken to a page that gives me an overview of the document and a historical record of all the versions of this document. If I want to see it, I can either download the PDF or I can view the PDF. I'm going to click on View PDF, which will take me to the PDF viewer. And here I can view the entire standard as it's been purchased from my account. I can download it if the publisher allows such an item. If not, you'll have a link to save a shortcut to this document. And you can also view this document on our mobile application, which I'll speak about in a moment. If you want to see a different version or a red line between this version and the current version, you can compare it on the left-hand side to 2015. And this will show me a red line markup of the different versions of the standard. Let's go back to this homepage. If I want to see this document, I can also view it on the mobile application. I encourage you to download the mobile app on iOS or Android, which will allow you to view your standard and offline. The second item that I want to make important is if you are interested in tracking these documents for changes, you're going to see the changes appear in this list. So in this list here, if there's a change, it will appear and you'll be prompted to review it. The responsible party will be prompted to review it. The other place where you can see changes to documents in your registers is on the Actions dashboard. So if I click on Actions on the top left-hand corner and on External Actions, I will see a list of documents and provisions that have been updated. You can sort and filter this by location, by person, and by team. And we can take a look for all the new documents that have been published and that affect my operations, such as these new NFPA standards. For more detailed information on how to process updates and changes, please have a look at our other videos on our support portal. If you want to search for a document that's not in one of your registers or one of your lists, you can do so by coming to the top of the page and clicking on Compliance Library and then on Mnemonic Library. This will take you into the database that contains all the laws, regulations, and standards that your organization has access to. You can search by keyword, by jurisdiction, by publishing authority, and by other information. If we come in and select, say, United States, and then we select a publishing authority, such as the American Petroleum Institute, I can then filter this, and this will show me all the documents at the American Petroleum Institute that are in the library. You can also search by keyword right here, and you'll notice again there are these locked icons. So a red icon means your organization has not yet purchased this document. Green icon means they're unlocked, which means you've purchased it, and you can see here which locations have access. And a yellow icon would mean that it's been purchased with certain locations. Again, regulations are freely available if they're within your subscription platform. So if I remove this publishing authority and I search for regulations that talk about water use, I can see those regulations. They'll come up, and you'll notice there are no locked icons next to these regulations because they're in the public domain. I can click on it, and I will see this specific part of the US CFR along with the full text and a link back to the government website. So that's the library. If you cannot find something in the library, please contact us. And if you would like to purchase a document that is not currently purchased at your account, please talk to your account administrator. I want to also show you how to start an audit. So if you have purchased the auditing module, there are two ways to start an audit. You can do so by clicking on audit templates on the top of the screen here. You then select a template on this page. It can be a template that comes from Nimonik, or you can upload your own templates. You can say, I want to do a 9,000 management system audit. You click on this, you click on create audit, and you select the location where you're going to do your audit, the questions, and then you can begin your audit. You can also have audits scheduled and assigned to specific people. Speak with your account administrators to clarify the specific workflow that your organization has chosen to employ. The last two things I want to show you in this quick starter video are reporting. So if you are an administrator, and this is only available to administrators, you can come into the reports tab at the top of the screen here, and you can create a series of reports. If you are an administrator, you can also come and click on the dashboard and see a dashboard with the progress that you've made towards assessing all of your requirements at the different sites and projects that you manage. You also have other features such as a regulatory chatbot that allows you to chat with regulations, and other tools such as newsletter functionality and search functionality. All of that functionality is covered in separate videos, but today's video is focused primarily on giving you a very quick introduction to Nimonik, how you can manage your account, how you can access information, and view things. For more information, please consult our support portal, our YouTube channel, and please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Be sure to bookmark Nimonik, and be sure to bookmark the registers or lists of documents that are of particular interest to your work so that you can quickly get to them at a click's notice. Thank you so much, and have a great day.